they're smelling a little bit. How much power are you putting on them? Wow.
Not a lot. It's
Not a lot?
I'm clipping the clip.
Oh, you're clipping them hard? Okay. Wow. This is nice, man. You've done a lot of work. I know you tried as much as you can to stop that flex, but it's still flexing like crazy. I was sitting to the outside. Yeah. So what is your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Ray Holmes. 2 FI Team V3s with Corey Dean, Blue Gang Recones, D2s, strapped on 4 JP23s.
Okay.
So half ohm per amp.
Oh, wow. So all the amps are right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. That's good. What is your box cubic size on this?
No idea.
No idea?
It was about 11 cubes, shrunk it, and I don't know. I just know port.
Yeah.
112 square inch, so it's small for what FI recommends.
Okay.
It works.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Yeah, man. Smaller boxes usually got better for more power too, so.
In a way, but I don't know the power.
Yeah. Did you do any SPL? I know, like what your meter score is on it, on the highest?
I haven't made it since last year.
Okay.
Last year I did a 57.4 without the wood roof and no poles.
Oh, wow. And it got a little louder since then?
I've never made it up.
Never? Okay. Awesome. Is there a way to open the back or is it going to stay closed all day?
It stays closed.
Okay. All right. Awesome, man. Where's your battery bank? Right here? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Is there a way I can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, got it. It's right there. Okay. Nice.
Just a 95 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Do you have these wired down to, you said half ohm each?
They're strapped at 1 per
Okay,
pair.
got it.
So I see it's half ohm.
Okay. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Dre's system at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show in 2023. Give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Really unique to see him fit 4 amplifiers on 2 subwoofers. And if you didn't miss it earlier, these are strapped 2 amps per sub at pretty much half ohm each. If you didn't notice the way he has these ratchet straps keeping his back hatch as solid as possible, and it was still flexing apart. He even taped his back hatch shut so we couldn't see how the port looked in the back. So also the lithium bank on the right behind his driver's seat, and all the amplifiers right behind the passenger. Pretty much an efficient way to install everything, so it's easy access for everything to be able to get worked on, tuned, tweaked, and wiring jobs. So he did a good job, and it's impressive to see over a 157 on music on this system. 9,000 watts between two 18-inch subs and his TC. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit that notification bell with subscribe button on for daily videos coming your way, and enjoy.
Young rich niggas, culture shit. Number one album, number one song, man. We grinding for this shit, we work for this shit, yeah. Young rich niggas, man. That way. Hey, I put the game this week, gang. I bought the plane for the week. Protect. If it ain't money, little nigga, money, my niggas can't even speak, huh? I made 200 this week. 200? That's really 600 capiche. 600. I cannot talk to niggas, huh? I tell them I only speak Greek. I'm in the look at my shit. Look at my diamonds. Look at the diamonds. Lying on my flesh. Look at the good drink, yeah, good drink. Pouring up a 4-wide nigga on the plane. Look at my diamonds, look at the diamonds, like on my flesh. Look at my diamonds, like on my flesh. Look at my diamonds, look at the diamonds, like on my flesh. Look at the diamonds. Good drink, pouring up a 4-wide nigga on the plane. Insane, yeah, insane.
Man, they're smelling a little bit. How much power are you putting on them? Wow.
Not a lot.
Not a lot?
I'm having to clip.
Oh, you're clipping them hard? Okay. Wow.
Well, appreciate the demo, Dre.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to
No
see you
worries.
again, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you again, Dre. You have a good day.
No worries.